2017 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, heated front seats, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, rear window wiper, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.